Hello to all mamas and babies. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Liel Cheri. This is baby Emily. Yesterday she turned 5 months old and we're so happy to share with you another fun mommy and baby HIIT workout. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button to be notified of every new video we release every single week. For today's workout, we've got 10 exercises. Each exercise 45 seconds on and 15 seconds break in between. Just in case it gets challenging and you need a little break or your body workout need a little break, make sure that you have something near you like a blanket or a swing that you can put your baby onto to rest and keep going with your workout. All you need for today's workout is a happy attitude and your sweet baby. With that being said, let's begin. Yeah! All right, ready, mama? Go ahead and grab your little one underneath the armpits. Place your feet hip distance apart and we will begin with some shoulder warm up. Begin to circle your baby up and down and around. Yes, and we're already having so much fun. Soften your knees, tighten your core. Smile. Go ahead and switch the direction. Woo. Woo. Yeah. All right. Breathe. Can you feel that in your shoulders? Oh yes. So good. Right, baby Emily? Last one. And let's take a little break. You can march in between. If you need a sip of water, take a sip of water. Next one, we will do a side lunge with double pose. So you can grab your baby however it's comfortable to you. Come into a wide squat, bend one knee, send the booty back, lock spine, pulse it twice, come up, squeeze the booty, switch. Woo. And switch. Inhale up, exhale, go low. Inhale up, exhale, low. Up and low. Up and low. Up and low. Up and low. Last one. Very nice. Give your legs a little shake. And we are ready to move to the next exercise. We're gonna do a wide squat, narrow squat. Heels in, toes out. Sink nice and low. Open the knees. Lift, shoulder press with your baby. Woo! Sink nice and low. Come up. Squeeze your booty. Lift your baby. And low. And high, and low, and high. Keep your core nice and tight, constantly drawing your navel in and up. Yeah. Last one. Giddy, 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 giddy. Take a little break. Next one, hold your baby like that, facing you like you're holding a tray. Place your feet hip distance apart and we're gonna do deadlift. You're gonna soften the knees, send the spine forward nice and long, come up, squeeze the glutes, press the hips forward, fold, lift up, Squeeze the booty. Someone is going to nap so good after this workout. Woo! Woo! Last one. Very nice. Let's take a little break. Emily, are you ready to fly? Reverse lunges with baby press. Feet hip distance apart. Step one leg back. Drop the knee. Lift your baby. Back. Step forward. Switch. And we are done. Beautiful. Woo! Okay, so I need to step a little bit from my mat because we have some nice spill up here. Sumo squat, heels in, toes out. We're gonna squat nice and low, get up, squeeze the booty. Hold your little one as it feels comfortable to you. Any position here can work. Are you feeling okay? Woo! Very nice. All right, next one, go ahead and place your little one on the blanket or the swing, and we're gonna make our way onto the forearms side plank. Forearm down, feet stacked. Lift your hips nice and high. Lift your arm up. You can drop down to the bottom knee to modify if you need, or open up your feet a little wider. Just hold and breathe. Hey, Emily. Big smile, mama. Keep squeezing the navel in and up. Really tighten your core. Last one. And take a little break. And we've got to be creative. Yeah, the baby can get fussy, and that's okay. Just keep doing what you're doing and use your creativity to entertain your baby. Last breath. And take a break. Check it out. Next one, flip onto your back through the side to protect your core. And we're gonna do a little core exercises. Grab your little one, shin bones parallel to the mat, and we will begin to tap your toes. Make sure you're squeezing your lower back into the mat, and there is no gap in between your lower back and the floor. Engaging your core, try your navel in and down. Whoop. You want extra challenge? You can lower and lift your baby. And go. And go. Last one. Woo. Place your feet down. Take a little break. Full breath in and out. We will make our way back into that tabletop legs, and this time we're gonna extend our legs one by one. Maintain lower back to mat connection. Breathe. Need extra challenge? Do little push-ups with your baby. Ooh, my core is on fire. How about you, Emily? Can you feel that? Can you feel that? Can you feel mommy's core is on fire? Yeah. Keep going, mama. Last one. Beautiful. Take a little break. And we're gonna flip. Place your little one in front of you. Let's do a little bit baby push-up kisses. Come to all fours. Open the arms nice and wide. Begin to lower. Give your baby a kiss. Maybe kiss their bums. And lift. Tuck your tail under. Flatten your tummy. Yeah. You love mommy's kisses? And go. Almost there. Woo. Oh. Oh. All right, let's take from here a child's pose. My little one is so ready to go for a nap. Okay, knees out wide, big toes to touch, send the booty back. Breathe in fully, exhale completely. Slowly begin to make your way up. Grab your little one. Give them a million kisses. And come into a comfortable seat. Yeah. Someone is so ready for a nap here. We would love to hearing from you. Let us know, how did you enjoy this workout? How was the intensity? How was the pace? How old is your little body workout? How much does he or she weigh? And what else you would like to see, hear from us? Thank you again so much for tuning in today. We so appreciate your time and your practice with us. And as you can see, real life, real practice, things happening, baby gets fuzzy, that's okay. That's what's beautiful about the online practice. You can hit the pause button, take a little break, suit your little one, and just keep going. And if it doesn't work in one time, you can do it in the other time. You see, baby Emily spilled out, and we still keep going, and she's a little fuzzy, and that's okay. All right, so just don't let this discourage you to move your body and feel good, because when you feel good, you can generate this beautiful and positive energy to your baby, and just everyone gonna be more happy. Again, thank you so much from our heart to yours. Namaste.